Good morning, I am Nadagya, Shishmisha, Rishika and Niriksha. Today we are going to solve this missing square puzzle. Our aim is to not exceed the parts outside the box or not flip it. I would like to pass to my friend Kushi.
I'll be telling the technique to solve this puzzle. So basically, when you change the parts in few directions, we'll be able to fill the square. So now, when the pieces are put together in the square is a 7 by 7 unit square, which has an area of 49 centimeters. But when you shift the pieces to the starting position, where there was a missing square in the middle, you will realize something. And then when I use the transparency again, you will realize it's no more a square. And you will see that there's a small piece of the shape coming out of the box, which is exceeding the box. So when there's a missing square in the middle, you will realize it's no more a square. It's a 7 by 7 and 1 7 rectangle. And the area of this one is currently 50 centimeter squares. And now I'd like to pass it on to Rishika.
This puzzle tells that how tiny mistakes in measurements can lead to big problems. For example, while flooring a room or while cutting any material, if the area is slightly off, then the result won't be accurate. This puzzle tells us how important precision is in mathematics. Even when all the pieces seem to fit, a small difference in an area can change the whole puzzle. Like, see, the puzzles have different shapes and they're in different areas, which made the square. And you can use some really good techniques to make this. And using real skills like logical thinking, problem solving, and reasoning to this. Thank you for participating in our puzzle challenge.